di syempre kinilig kasi matagal ko nang medyo liniligawan. Hey everyone, Michelle Marquez D here, and today is my first ever taping sa Encantadia Chronicles, Sangre. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa throne room ng Lereo, and my first scene, of course, is with my mama, Solen Yusuf. Kaya, syempre, unang sabak pa lang, mag-aaway na kami. Kaya nakakakilig naman, kasi you all know I love action, you all know I love doing the hard things. Kaya, let's just see how it goes. Action! Excited to be on set. Tapos syempre naman, kasama ko si Michelle D ngayon. We haven't seen each other in years, so ngayon, at least sa wakas sa set ng Encantadia, guys. My first series was this sauce. Yes, actually nga. Love you too. Ngayon, Encantadia. See you guys there. This is my first day shooting with our Cassandra, Michelle D. I'm very excited. May mga tinatry akong mga feelings that I don't usually feel for her. Because usually I just feel love, joy. Today it's hate and pain. Di syempre kinilig kasi matagal ko nang medyo liniligawan at nagpaparinig na gusto ko makasama sa Encantadia Chronicles, of course. Kaya nung sinabi sa akin na magiging Queen Cassandra ako, ay nako, nauna kasi si Rian. So syempre magkabahay kami ni Rian. Nauna si Rian maging Metena. And then I was so happy for her. Tapos I think a few months after, tinawag na rin ako for Queen Cassandra. First day in true Encantadia fashion, away, action, and full of intensity ang makukuha niyo ngayon. This show is no ordinary show. So, as you can see, nasa ibang world tayo. It's like traveling to a different dimension together.